Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable TalkThru for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. So basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. We can use the application or we can use the control. So let's get started by use the app. You need to open JBL headphones application. Of course your headphones should be connected with the app, and the application open for you the headphones menu. If you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones here. So right here we have ambient sound control. To enable TalkThru, first we need to enable ambient sound control if you have it disabled, and then tap at the TalkThru. To disable this mod, you need to or swap to transparency or ANC or turn off ambient sound control. As I said, we can use a control, and at the right ear cup near to the power button we have ambient sound control button. You need to double press this button and you will enable TalkThru mod 1, 2, but not single press, because with a single press you will swap to ANC or transparency mode 1, 2. As you can see, we can disable ambient sound control. So this one is your first option, how to disable TalkThru, but also you can single press and swap to ANC or transparency modes. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.